All right, team. This is Charles Becco with another urgent market update. So this week, yada yada yada. Pretty much, we had this kind of insano pop from 2 weeks before. We ran into the daily 200, chopped around, came down to the 8, popped up to the 200 again. Came down off of Fed news. Fed is looking to tighten pretty soon, and bada. Okay. Weekly indicator was already bearish, okay? So I would expect to come right back down here, maybe a retest of the 330, 320 area on the Qs. I mean, even if you were just looking at the candlesticks, right? You get that kind of shooting star pattern or hanging man, whatever you want to call it. Then you get this huge engulfing candle, especially below the 8, below the 21, and yeah, you open up the door for 340, 330. I'm looking, we're probably gonna fall in the bread basket somewhere between 330, 340. You know, maybe even go down and retest the lows here at 318. I'd say that's more likely, right? So yeah, that's the Qs. Let's look at SPY real quick. Yes, still the tail of the tape here. Same thing. Again, we have you see the death cross here, 50 crossing under the 200. Indicator still negative. MACD cross to the downside here. Weekly indicator still negative. So we have bearishness in the hourly, daily, weekly, triple bad for SPY here. Fresh MACD cross. Weekly signals to the downside. I would say that in terms of the weekly, though, we do have a lot of We do have a lot of support here. Okay, we got support here on SPY on the weekly 446, 445, 443. So I would not imagine we would just kind of come through all of those levels, right? But if we do, right, once you hit 440, we get through that, and it's first trip to 430. So that's SPY. Apple, let's check it out. Tick tock, tick tock. Come on now. Come on now, computer. Man, Thinkorswim is just taking it sweet. Oh, I spelled Apple wrong. Haha. There we go. Okay, pretty cool. I was about to blame the computer. All right. So we have kind of a short setup here on the hourly time frame that just fired off, but we'd have to wait for it. Fresh MACD cross down, but you are sitting on top of the daily 50 there, so expect maybe a retest of 168, see if it'll hold here. The weekly looks pretty okay structurally, right? But Apple is the strongest. Again, fresh MACD cross down, so you know, just take a look at that. You know, Apple still looks very strong, but it could get hairy, right? As Apple goes, so does the market. Let's look at Tesla here. Kind of weird. Indicators are kind of screwed up, right? We've got buy indicators here, but then the indicator is just about like right on the line here. We came down to the 21, bounce, came back down, MACD cross down, hourly short signal here, weekly engulfing candle up there, close the gap. I would say expect a retest of 1,000. And if not, 980, okay? 1,000 or 980, right? But expect some strong support in those areas, right? Do we come all the way down to the daily 50? I doubt it. Okay, but do we come down to the weekly 8 there at around 980, 967? Yeah, I think that's possible. Definitely the 1,000 here. I'll tell you what, we hit that 1,000, I'm gonna have some buy orders ready on Tesla. All right, so next week looks kind of bearish, okay? But you know, this market has been strong, surprisingly strong. We'll got to see how it shapes up. Again, this is Charles Becco from Brooklyn Traders. Check us out at www.brooklyntraders.net. That is www.brooklyntraders.net, and I'll see you soon. Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you enjoy this content, please check out our website at www.brooklyntraders.net. That is www.brooklyntraders.net. Thanks, and God bless.